How to delete Wattpad account permanently. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Wattpad account permanently. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So for this, you don't have to use the Wattpad app. Instead, you have to use the Wattpad website, and from there you can delete your account. So open up any browser and then search for wattpad.com. And once you're on the wattpad.com website, you have to tap on here login, and again tap on login. Enter here your email or username and then enter here your password. So after entering email and password, tap on login. Then here, if it asks you to choose Wattpad or any browser, you have to choose the browser you are using. So I am using Chrome, so I will tap on Chrome. So once you are logged in, you have to turn on the desktop mode. So to turn on desktop mode, if you are on Chrome, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Then check desktop site. Wait for the desktop site to load, and once the desktop site is loaded, zoom in, and here in the top right, tap on your profile, this drop down arrow, and then tap on settings. Then here in settings, zoom in, scroll down, and here you will see close account at the bottom. Tap on it, and here you have to select why are you leaving. So you can select any one of these options, and here you have to write any reason. It is compulsory to write, without it you can delete. So write any reason you want, and then here in the bottom you have to enter here your password. After entering password, tap on close account, and your account is deleted. So this is how you can delete Wattpad account permanently. Thanks for watching.